In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Meta AI not showing up on WhatsApp. If you've been eagerly waiting to try out Meta AI on your WhatsApp and it's nowhere in sight, don't worry. We're going to walk through each step that might help you get it up and running. First things first, it's crucial to ensure your WhatsApp is updated to the latest version. Navigate over to the Google Play Store if you're on Android or the Apple App Store for iOS users and search for WhatsApp. If an update is available, you'll see an update button. Tap it and give it a moment to install. After the update, restart the app. For Meta AI to function, you need to have the most recent builds, like version 2.2514 or higher for Android, and version 24.14 or above for iOS. Once your app is updated, open WhatsApp and look carefully for the telltale blue-purple circle icon. Depending on your device, you'll find it at the bottom right on Android or at the top right on iOS. This icon is your gateway to chatting with Meta AI, so if you spot it, go ahead and tap it. If it's still missing, don't fret, let's try another solution. A great next step is to force close and reopen WhatsApp. This simple trick can sometimes lead to the Meta AI button popping up after a full reload. To do this, swipe away WhatsApp from your recent apps and then reopen it. If you're using an Android device, clearing the app cache can also be beneficial. Head to Settings, then navigate to Apps, find WhatsApp, click on Storage, and then hit Clear Cache. Be careful not to hit Clear Data, as that would remove all your chats. After clearing the cache, reopen WhatsApp and see if the Meta AI icon appears. Next, let's double check your app language settings. Meta AI works best in English US right now. Within WhatsApp, go to Settings, choose App Language, and set it to English US. Alternatively, you can adjust your phone settings under Language and choose English United States. If you've tried everything else and Meta AI is still hiding, you might consider reinstalling WhatsApp as a last resort. Before doing so, ensure you back up your chats by going to Settings, then Chats, and choosing Chat Backup. After backing up, uninstall WhatsApp and then reinstall it from the official App Store. Once reinstalled, restore your chats and check again for the Meta AI feature. Finally, it's worth confirming if Meta AI is available in your region. Currently, it's fully rolled out in the United States, Canada, most users in India, and the UK. It's also being gradually released in parts of Southeast Asia, including the Philippines. If it's not available in your region yet, keep an eye out for upcoming updates. And that wraps up our tutorial on bringing Meta AI to your WhatsApp. Hopefully, one of these steps helps you begin your journey with Meta AI. Thanks for watching, and best of luck!